Higher versions of Word allows you to protect your document and to prevent others editing and modifying your document. In this session, we will see how to do this. After that, we will see how to convert your document into a PDF file. After preparing your document, go to File. On the right side, we can see the properties of the document like the file size, number of pages, number of words, last modified date, etc. On the left side, click on Protect Document. The first option, Mark as Final, tells the readers that this document is final and they are not supposed to edit or make any changes to it. When you choose this option, a new window appears which says this document will be marked as final and then saved. Click on OK. Another window appears which says this document has been marked as final to indicate that editing is complete. Click on OK. Now this document has been marked as final and you're not supposed to edit it. When you go back, you can see a yellow ribbon appears on the top saying no editing is expected. But if the reader still wants to edit it, then he or she can click on the Edit Anyway button and proceed to edit the document. The second option under Protect Document is to encrypt your document with a password. You can enter a password and click OK. Such an encrypted document can be opened only if the password is entered. But you should be extremely cautious while using this option because the word says if you lose or forget your password, the document cannot be recovered. So kindly be cautious while opting for a password. Now let me enter a password here. Click on OK. You will be asked to re-enter the password. Now it says a password is required to open this document. Let me go back and close the document. Let me reopen the document now. You'll be asked to enter the password. You can also control the type of changes others can make on your document by the Restrict Editing option. You may explore that option yourself. Converting a Word document to a PDF file is very easy in higher versions of Word. Simply select Files, Save As, choose a folder. Under the Save As type, select PDF, give a proper file name and then click on Save. Your document is now converted to a PDF file. For lower versions of Word, converting to PDF can be done via online tools. Simply Google PDF to Word online converter and you will see a number of options, a number of sites which offer this free service. I especially like this particular one called ilovepdf.com. Here, anything related to PDF can be done. You can convert a PDF to a Word file, a Word to a PDF file, PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint. You can split PDF files, you can merge PDF files. Almost everything related to PDF can be done here. Now we need to convert Word to PDF. So click on that. Now you can choose a Word file here by browsing through your folders, or you can simply click and drag the file here. Now click on this convert to PDF. The site will upload it first. And convert it into PDF document which can be downloaded here. Here under the all PDF tools, a list of all the services offered by the website is given. Please do check it out.